Hello there and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a hidden travel spot in Nord Rhein Westfalen in Germany, which is located in Duisburg, and this is a collection of beautiful lakes. You can see on the ground, guys, that it's been snowing. The sun is out shining, skies are blue. It's about -3 degrees today, so it's pretty cold, but I'm going to be showing you guys this little hidden gem travel destination, which is located not far away from Duisburg at all, 10-15 minutes away and about 20 to 30 minutes away from Düsseldorf. This is a really good place to go for a walk in the winter, but also in the summer. In the summer, there is also a Freibad here, so there is a sort of an open air swimming area in one of the lakes, which you can go to as well. So it's a really great spot for chilling out, enjoying the sunshine and coming to relax. As said, the weather is really perfect for this today, so I look forward to showing you guys around. By the way, if you're new here, my name is James. I show you great destinations to visit across Europe and also in London, and I also show you all about life abroad, studying abroad as well. So make sure to leave a subscribe on my channel if you're new here. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoy it. I look forward to welcoming you to my community. So I've just arrived at the tower here, and the tower has a total height of 22 meters. So it's not the tallest tower I've climbed in the last few weeks. When I climbed the Cologne Cathedral, that is over 90 meters. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to check it out. Go check it out here. So this tower is a lot smaller. It's only 22 meters in height, but from the top, we will get a nice view of the sunset. And not only of the sunset, we'll also get an amazing view of the 6 lakes which surround this tower in Duisburg. So let's climb up and see what the view looks like at the top. I'm really excited for this. So I made it to the top of the tower, and I also made it back down again, up the steps to 22 meters in height, and the views from the top are really beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. I can highly recommend coming to this tower during sunset hour, during golden hour. So in the winter on a nice clear blue day like today, about 4 to 5 p.m, and you'll get really lovely views over the lakes and also onto the surrounding area, onto Duisburg. You can actually see really far. I wasn't expecting that at all. I also found out from the information board that there was a tower standing there before, which was a wooden tower, but due to vandalism, someone actually set it on fire. The old tower had some structural damage at the bottom, so they had to take it down completely, and it was replaced with a steel tower at 22 meters in height. So this attraction does actually have quite a bit of history to it, and it also has amazing views as well for those wanting to check out amazing views over Duisburg and the Ruhrgebiet here in Germany. A final little point from me for you guys is about how to get here. Well, you can either drive here, there are lots of car parks all around, or you can take the S-Bahn to Buchholz in Duisburg, or the train to Duisburg Hauptbahnhof, and then from there you can get a bus to Duisburg am See. They run about every half an hour, pretty frequently, so you'll make sure you can find a connection, and then you'll arrive here, and then you can walk all around the lakes and up to the tower. The walk from the car park or the bus stop up to the tower takes about 20 to 25 minutes, so do be prepared for a little bit of walking while you're here too. The sun is setting now. It's a really beautiful sunset tonight. But that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed discovering Duisburg am See with me and the 6 wonderful lakes which are here. Look how beautiful that looks behind me with the still blue water tonight. It's absolutely stunning, and climbing the tower was definitely a fun experience. I can highly recommend coming here if you're in the Duisburg or the Ruhrgebiet area. It's a nice day out for a walk and get some fresh air. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you found this useful, and make sure to leave a subscribe on my channel for more great travel tips from me, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!